everybody, I finally got out to go metal detecting today in front of this old building. Right here in this area, I'm gonna try metal detecting. I did once before and found several pieces of wire, so hopefully not so much wire, but you know, probably will. And this is the maiden voyage of my Excalibur shovel that I won like a month or two, well, 2 months ago. And this is a Sir K Excalibur shovel, and you can go to excaliburshovels.com and find out more information. This was handmade right here in America, and it's really good quality. You can watch my shout out video from like last month to see more information, and there's a link there too. All right, let's go find something. Well, I've got a bunch of signals here. But 91, and then there's like a 78. I saw an 85 and a bunch of other trash stuff here. So I'm gonna try it, see what we find. So far, just got a couple of nails and part of a buckle in the hole, and the good signals are still in there somewhere. All right, so these are the things I just found. Some more stuff in that hole. Boy, I really need a sifter even here. So an old buckle and a lot of these tops to bolts. Some old nails, and then this metal piece right there. I don't know what that is. Excalibur and Mr. Pro. You've been doing good work at finding ancient nails and stuff, but we need the silver. Well, I didn't find anything today, just some junk, so I didn't film a lot of digging, but here's what I found here in my little bucket. Just old pieces of nail or bolts. I mean, I did find that old buckle, but nothing much. And I dug that hole there, and I dug another hole over there. Had a high tone, but I didn't find any good high tone materials. So at least I got out and tried. Have a good day, everybody. Check out these other videos for more treasure hunting adventures. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching.